Hardworking employees across America are the lifeblood of the U.S. economy. For over 100 years, one company has been a pioneer in pumping solutions and industrial distribution. DXP understands the value of hiring veterans, seeing them as an integral asset in problem solving and taking care of customers.
DXP is a publicly traded company powered by a loyal team of almost 3,000 employees. With locations throughout North America, DXP is dedicated to serving their customers locally and across the globe.
DXP Enterprises is an industrial distribution company. So it distributes for a wide range of products and services. Everybody from the smallest water and wastewater company to the largest oil and gas company in the world buys products and relies on DXP Enterprises. My name is Skip Giesing. I'm Vice President of the Rotating Equipment Division for DXP Enterprises. I have a 28-year Navy career, which was Navy and Naval Reserve. I retired at the rank of 06 or Captain of USN.
My name is George Perez, and I'm with DXP Service Center in Denver, Colorado. I'm a service repair manager for DXP, and I was in the U.S. Coast Guard for 10 years as a lieutenant, engineer officer.
My rank in the Air Force was Master Sergeant. I served in the military for 22 years. I'm Mark Johnson. I'm with DXP Enterprises. I'm currently the Vice President of Implementation and Strategic Sourcing. I've been with DXP for 18 years now.
So I was on an attack submarine. What worried me the most was that while we were conducting combat operations, we were not paying attention to where we were heading and what we were doing.
And my last position was non-commissioned officer in charge of the War Reserve material under the Special Operations Command. Traveling all over the world, I grew a new appreciation for what America had to offer. And unfortunately, some of the foreign countries that I were stationed in didn't have the same freedoms that we experience in the United States.
Everybody, if they take time to reflect, feels and knows that if the need came, that they'd want to serve, in order to protect our country.
So we went out and did, immigration, drug patrolling, all that, all through the Caribbean islands, and all through the Straits of Gibraltar into Spain, all looking for immigrants and drugs and drug trafficking and whatnot. Getting out of the military and becoming a civilian was actually a difficult choice for me at the time.
If somebody was having trouble transitioning from the military to their civilian occupation, I would tell them to, continue to reflect on what you accomplished when you were in the military and be proud of that and know that you served your country well and that now you have a calling to do something different.
Don't give up. You made a decision now. You had a good career. Take a look back of everything that you've accomplished in your military time. You made it work for you. No matter how long you put in there, congrats for that time you put in. It meant something. You were meant to be there. My core values of honor, respect, and devotion to duty, you're focusing on that and always prepared to do what you have to do to take care of your family, your friends, your life, yourself.
The instillment of the core values of integrity, honor first, I think were instrumental in the man that I am today. I believe the professional military education that I received, the leadership training I received set me up for success with DXP.
DXP is a great landing spot for military vets because there's support.
You want to work in DXP because our environment is a lot like the military. Our codes are very similar to that of the military. It's just that we serve customers as opposed to the mission.
As of right now, I've got 11 years with DXP, and I had just over 10 with the military. I've been out now 18 years, and it's been a good experience. And I really feel that they do marry each other quite well.
The military members bring to the table their professional training, their commitment, and dedication.
The culture at DXP is one where we call all of the employees DX people. We're all working with one another. We work in teams. We look after each other and cover each other. And there is a cool sense of belonging with all of the employees at DXP of being something that's greater than themselves. And it's part of the reason why we're as successful as we are.